Hello, everybody. Garden Nature
Goodbye,
back at it
everybody.
again. Well, can you not bother me when I'm doing my video?
It dropped like that. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Well, it was quite a journey, but we finally made it to our campsite. Our lucky number today is 86. And so the snow's a little deep this time of year, but it says absolutely breathtaking. Wow. Home sweet home.
Oh, I can't feel my hand, my left hand.
Well, got everything unloaded there. Right there on the table. So that's all our gear for tonight. When you're out here in the cold, it's important to never come unprepared. So we got all our stuff. First things first, we have to clear all the snow, clear out a patch so we can set up our shelter there. If you haven't met him before, this is my brother, Wyatt.
These fucking commie bastards really don't know how to make shit.
Yeah, that's not too good of a cigar there, isn't it?
No, it's not. And it's all because the goddamn commies. That's who put me in prison, you know. He was a communist.
Yeah, he used to be in one of those gulags.
Yeah.
He actually recently just got out, so this is nothing to him. He's a tough guy.
Because back, you know, I saw one of them fuckers walking on the street. And you think in America, you know, it'd be permitted. But just because you curb stomp a guy, it don't look like you. All of a sudden, you get 6 months in federal jail.
Well, yeah, you know, it's a crazy thing.
don't. No! I can't believe you forgot the coffee filters.
It's not bending. Which way does this go? That's what I'm saying.
No, rock out and roll out.
It's not locking in, bro. Oh, dude, rock out.
Well, the tent is finished here. Looks pretty good. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Wait, so, yeah, the square, right?
yeah. The
Wait, is it the record button?
uh-huh. So basically...
Is it the record button?
It's a square, and yeah, it's doing numbers at the top.
Oh, well, okay, so basically... Can you
My mental capacity is really on the fritz.
Okay, so basically, we got all this wood here. So basically, we need to chop it up so we can start a fire. So you won't be. Okay, so let's just start it up.
How close do you want me to get?
Let's get nice and close into there.
This is gonna take a long ass time. This is really not making much progress, I noticed. Okay, that's enough. I just thought it'd be fun.
Oh, look, guys. Our little friend has came. Hello, friend.
Oh, it's actually connected.
Hello. How's it going, buddy? Marijuana. Oh, what is that? Is that weed? Marijuana. We're supposed to have weed. You got a lot of wood there. That's a really big piece of wood you got. Good job, buddy. Ah! Oh, that was kind of terrifying. I gotta go change my pants.
I call this one the campfire song. Let's gather round the campfire and sing our campfire song. RCAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along.
Well, hey everybody. It is currently 6 o'clock at night. The sun is set. There's a moon right there, looking real beautiful. Yeah. Well said. Well said, buddy. Anyway, we have a fire going to keep us warm. It is currently about -10 degrees. Pretty crazy, actually. But we're keeping nice and cozy up in here.
That's how often I use that tent.
Anyways,
And it's usually
having a good time.
It'll help if you just sing along.
Yeah, okay, guys. Trying to get back at it again. I'm enjoying myself a nice Jameson
with DP cream soda.
With DP cream.
Not double penetration.
Nope, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
DP, good old stuff. Cheers.
Double penetration is also acceptable, though. Especially in a man's sweet fucking hot ass.
We do have enough men here now.
Oh, geez. Hello, everybody. This is Don Nancy back at it again. And guess what? I've had a few drinks. I've been playing some guitar. Okay, and we have some burgers for us to eat. So, come on. Lunchtime. Here we go, baby. That's having a real good time. So, yeah.
See that bird sitting on my windowsill, really saying whippoorwill all the night through.
Well, burger's done. So, very good. Pretty good. Hello, everybody. Just had burgers. Sitting by the campfire again. My friend here is trying to conquer this giant log here. Uh-huh.
Jumpy, jumpy.
Seems to be quite the task. Oh, jeez. Well, I got one piece. Anyways, I think this is the fire for tonight. And then we're gonna hunker down and sleep. Pretty comfortable, pretty nice. It's about negative 20 degrees right now, so nice. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 7:30 a.m. Beautiful one. Fire's still going from last night, so we're doing pretty good. I was nice and toasty warm, like a little hot pocket in my sleeping bag tonight. It was real nice, like,
dude, I was fucking
like one of those
the sides of the
hot
tent
pockets
all night long.
Huh?
I said I was bracing the sides of the fucking tent all night long, shivering to death. It's a hurt.
Oh, that's not too good. You should have.
That sleeping bag fucking sucked.
You should have gotten a better sleeping bag,
I know.
like me. As I said, never come unprepared when you're out in the wilderness.
Fucking it went like 2/3 up my body. I was like, what the fuck? You don't understand sleeping bags. It's probably... This is the fucking coldest night that I've ever experienced. Even worse than the gulags. Even worse than sitting on the side of a fucking Colorado mountain. And in those darkest of hours, at least, I had Space Jam 2. Space Jam 2 slowly buddy. To keep me company.
I was having such a great time last night, all comfortable in there. It was great, you know.
Don't forget.
Huh?
Don't forget. No matter how good you feel, the darkness is always right behind. Just behind.
Okay.
In prison.
Make sure not to forget that.
Lost it.
My brother has a really funny gorilla joke he wants to tell you.
Gorilla joke from 1897. You ever hear this one?
No, then tell it.
It says you hear about the gorilla that escaped from the zoo the other day.
No, I didn't.
That's because I'm a real quiet gorilla. Old man stroking out. He's going to the light.
Guys, we just made some coffee. Yummy.
Oh, yeah, this one, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Bacon
Bacon's done. Yummy.
Yeah, baby.
Bacon. Nothing like it. Bacon. Nothing like it. Bacon. Nothing like
Enjoying
it.
myself a nice piece
No,
of
you're
maple
not.
smoked bacon.
Go fuck yourself.
We're cooking up more. But I think we're going to start tearing down here. And then we got a whole carton of eggs we got to chow through. And it'll be our good little breakfast. And after that, we're out of here.
That's good. Hey. Oh, Lord. This is a great big fat egg.
Tucking up some eggies. Yum, yum,
Oh,
yum.
fuck.
Eggies.
My eyes.
Those are some good eggies. Yummy. we had our eggies and starting to pack stuff up now. So overall, I think it was a pretty cool time. No pun intended. But yeah, actually was surprisingly comfortable in this thing here. So there you go. How'd you go through the night, buddy? Brother?
What?
How'd you go through the night, brother?
Scared, alone, on the verge of death.
Oh, jeez. Does it remind you of the Gulag days?
Yeah, but at least you got a free railing out of that.
All right, guys. Well, we're heading out. So, do you have fun? It's a good camping trip, right?
I shit my pants.
Oh.
I need a new thing.
That's a little TMI, don't you think?
Well, you asked me.
Well, anyway, guys. Thanks for watching John in Nature. Well, guys, thank you for watching this episode of John in Nature. And I hope you'll tune in next time for another crazy, wacky nature adventure.
Don't do it.